This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Slide the jack into the correct position under the end of the beam axle and raise the vehicle. Position axle stands. Then lower the vehicle onto the axle stands and remove the jack. Remove the rear wheel arch liner. Position a trolley jack beneath the trailing arm or shock absorber lower mounting on torsion beam suspension and raise the arm so that the shock absorber is slightly compressed. Unscrew the rear shock absorber lower mounting bolt, then unscrew and remove the upper mounting bolts. Compress the shock absorber slightly and remove it from the vehicle. With the shock absorber on the bench, remove the cap from the top mount, then unscrew the nut from the top of the piston rod while counter-holding the piston, then slide off the top mount assembly, remove the protective sleeve and remove the bump stop. You will be left with these top mount components. Locate the components removed from the top of the shock absorber in their correct order. Assemble the top mount as shown. Then fit the top mount to the new shock absorber. Screw on a new nut, then tighten the nut securely and fit the cap. Locate the shock absorber in the rear wheel arch, then insert the upper mounting bolts and tighten to the specified torque. Extend the shock absorber if necessary and insert the lower mounting bolt loosely. Use the jack to raise the vehicle to the installation ride height. Now tighten the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Lower the jack and remove it from underneath the suspension. Reinstall the wheel arch liner and refit the fixings to secure it in position. Position the jack and raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands, then lower the vehicle and remove the jack.